Hi, in this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a subdomain for your WordPress website. But at this time, we are using the Lonex hosting, so I'll be showing you how we can do that or how we can achieve that by accessing the Cpanel at the lonex.com. Alright, now right here at the Lonex Cpanel, we need to log in first. Okay, and let's just wait until this one is loaded completely. Okay, now you have to look at the My Domain tab on the navigation menu, and then look for hosted domains, and let's click that one. And right here we can already see the create subdomain, and we are going to create a subdomain for my personal domain, francisbaina.space, and let's do that by clicking this button here. And now we need to select the exact domain or the domain name that we will be choosing to create a subdomain, and let's call this domain name subdomain as demo, just for this tutorial. Let's go and add a host. Okay, now that we have created our subdomain, it's called demo.francisbaina.space. alright, demo.francisbaina.space, and now we can use this demo subdomain, and later we will be using WordPress to be installed in this subdomain, demo that francisbaina space. I'm using space because I like it. Okay, alright, demo francisbaina. There we go. Now that we have this is ready to be a domain or a subdomain where we can install our WordPress website. Okay guys, this tutorial is concluded. Thanks for watching.